Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be creating a easy cottage using gouache. Here I'm using square sketchbook by Ayush paper. All the materials will be listed in the description box below. You can buy these materials using my link and get 10% off on Ayush paper website. They have a wide range of sketchbooks ranging from grey, brown, black and white. I have used very minimal colors to create this piece. I have used cobalt blue, burnt sienna, green, black and titanium white. I like to create the piece without drawing it with pencil, and I do my outlines using a thin paintbrush. Then I fill in the space using a solid color. To create the road ahead, I have mixed titanium white with my burnt sienna and a dot of black. And on other side I just create a green solid block and then fill it with fine lines to create the grass line. Now I am filling out the details for the cottage. First I am blocking out spaces using black. Also added some shadows using dark brown to create fine lines on the road. To create the grass, I am using brushes-brustro fine liner and drawing lines in different directions, a few thicker and a few thinner, to make it look more realistic. lastly, I add some white to create some highlight. I hope you liked today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to tag us on our Instagram handle Sheena_Anam. Until next time, bye. Take care.